This is J.J. Dewey, author of the Immortal series, written 4 books in the series altogether. The first 2 volumes are called The Immortal. The second one, which is really book 3, is called The Lost Key of the Buddha. And then the 4th book in the series is called Eternal Words. One of the more popular teachings I have is about the male-female relationships. Everybody's always interested in relationships of some kind. And when you think about it, the thing that makes life worthwhile or gives meaning to anything is relationship. Because without relationship of one life to another, there is really no meaning in this universe. So everything is composed of relationship, beginning with the tiny atoms to the greatest galaxies in the universe, are all in relationship with each other. There are only 2 types of energy in the universe. One is called positive energy and the other is called negative energy. Not negative bad, but merely negatively charged. When we go down to the atomic level, for instance, we have the electrons, which are charged with 1 unit of negative energy, and the protons in the nucleus are charged with 1 unit of positive energy. And this also goes to all other lives in the universe share either a positive or negative charge. The thing about energy is the 2 types of energy, there's a difference between them. The positive is radiant, visible, and ascending energy. Like the sun, for instance, is a male sending radiant, visible energy. The negative energy is invisible. Magnetic gravity, for instance, is part of this negative energy. It's invisible, it's receiving, it pulls, whereas the positive energy sends. Now we go to how the energy works out in male and female relationships. The male is ascending energy. For instance, even physically, he sends the seeds to the female and she receives them and is very selective about which ones she does receive, but even so she is receiving energy. So even physically, our physical bodies are representative of the energies that we find ourselves in. The female is representative of the receiving energy. And what's interesting about the receiving energy is it's very selective. When the male sends out the sperm to the female, there's billions of sperm sent out, but only one is selected to be received, to become fertile and to produce a creative life. And